Welcome to our channel. Tenda N301 Wi-Fi router complete setup, beginner friendly. Unbox the Tenda N301 router, carefully open the box and take out the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick installation guide provided inside. Plug in and power on, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a wall socket. Switch it on and wait until the power LED turns solid green. Connect router to your internet modem. Use the Ethernet cable to link your modem's LAN port to the WAN port, usually blue, on the back of the Tenda router. Check for internet signal. After connection, the WAN internet LED should start blinking or stay steady, indicating that the router has detected an internet signal. Connect to default Wi-Fi network on your mobile, tablet, or PC. Go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default SSID Wi-Fi name mentioned on the router's label. Access the web interface. Open any web browser and type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar to access the router's configuration page. Log into the router admin panel. Enter the default login credentials, usually admin for both username and password, unless changed by the ISP or user. Select Internet connection type. Choose your ISP's connection type. Most common are PPPoE, requires username, password, DHCP, or static IP. Set a new Wi-Fi name and password. Customize your Wi-Fi network by creating a unique name, SSID, and a strong, secure password to protect your connection. Save settings and reboot. After completing the setup, save the settings and allow the router to reboot. You can now connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and enjoy uninterrupted internet. Thank you for watching.